Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to sign up on H&M. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to install the app. If you haven't already, just go ahead and download the H&M app. That's the application from App Store or Google Play Store. So launch either App Store or Google Play Store, then tap on the H&M icon to open the app. Of course, navigate to account. Once you open the app, on the bottom navigation bar, just go ahead and tap on the account icon that is typically represented by a person or silhouettes, which is here. So once you tap on this account icon at the bottom corner, it's going to take you to a window where you can now initiate the sign up process. So if you are not logged in, you will see options like sign up or join H&M Club. Go ahead and tap on join H&M Club to proceed. I'm sorry for the blackouts, but I think the H&M app is sensitive, security sensitive, so it's pretty much not displaying anything for us to see. But I'm going to go back on this and bring it back on. All right, so once you tap on, let's continue. Now, once you tap on the account icon like I showed you, you're going to see sign up or join H&M Club if you are not already signed in. So in there, you'll be asked to enter your email. Input your valid email address in the provided field. Agree to terms, review and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Tap on continue to move to the next step. Then select your date of birth. Ensure you're at least 18 years old to join. If you're 17 or 16, you may need parental consent depending on your region. So proceed continue rather. Then choose a strong password for your account. Re-enter the password to confirm. Tap on create account or finish to finalize your registration. Collect points on every purchase. Access member only discounts and promotions. Receive a special gift on your birthday and enjoy free standard delivery on orders over a certain amount depending on your region. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.